Hey everyone, this is Tim. Today I'm going to be talking about another monthly paying dividend REIT. This one's going to be LTC Properties Inc., ticker symbol LTC. Going to be going over the stock performance, the company information, dividend information, as well as the company financials. If there are any good options that you can use to lower your cost basis or make any extra money using this stock once you have 100 shares. And also how the stock's doing as far as their RSI band and also their MACD statistics on TradingView. And also, just for fun at the end, I like seeing how many shares you would have to earn $1,000 a month in dividend income. So that will be at the end for some fun. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does greatly help out the channel. And also there will be a link in the description to my Discord, which is free to join. And I do have my daily stock picks there, as sometimes there are no stocks that are worth picking for that particular day, but I always make a note of that. So if you're interested in that, come take a look in my Discord. Have a great day and have a good week in the stock market. As you can see, LTC Properties is not having a very good year. Back around this time in 2020, they were trading right around the $36 to $37 mark. And then right around April, they were actually around 44. And then they have steadily gone down ever since then. So for the past year, they are down 9.05%. Year to date in 2021, they are down 13%. Over the last 6 months, they are down 21.97%. Over the last month, they're down 3.29%. And over the last 5 days, they're down 2.08%. And they do have a current stock price of $33.85. LTC is a real estate investment trust, or better known as a REIT, investing in seniors housing and healthcare properties primarily through sale leasebacks, mortgage financing, joint ventures, and structured finance solutions, including preferred equity and mezzanine lending. LTC holds 181 investments in 27 states with 29 operating partners. Their portfolio is comprised of approximately 50% senior housing and 50% skilled nursing properties. It has 24 employees, was founded in 1992, and is headquartered in Westlake Village, California. Their dividend information is they have a 6.74% yield with an annual payout per share of $2.28. They have a payout ratio of 96.9%. I realize that seems high, but if you're familiar with REITs, they are required by law to pay out 90% of their profits minimum to their investors as dividends. So REITs tend to have a higher payout ratio than the normal company does. They have a 5-year growth rate of 1.18%. They don't have any years of dividend growth, and they pay 19 cents per month per share. So that's where they come to the $2.28 per year. Their ex-dividend date tends to be around the third week with a payout towards the end of the month. Here on their investor site, they have their information listed from all the way to 2017 to the second quarter of 2021. As you can see, this is listed in thousands. So here, like 124,041 is actually going to be 124,041,000. So keep that in mind when I'm going over this. So again, they have 124,041,000 in 2017, 125,358,000 in 2018, 126,703,000 in 2019, and at the end of 2020, they had 127,774,000. And as of quarter two, which ended June 30th, 2021, they have $123,239,000 worth of land. For their buildings and improvements, in 2017, they had 1,262,335,000. 2018 went to 290,352,000. 2019, they had 1,295,899,000. at the end of 2020. That had gone up to 1,324,227,000. And as of quarter 2, they are at 1,281,066,000. Now their depreciation and amortization for their properties in 2017, that was a depreciation of 304,117,000, and that was up to 312,959,000 in 2018, 312,642,000 in 2019, 349,643,000 in 2020, and as of quarter 2, they are at $355,745,000 worth of depreciation and amortization. Now their operating real estate, they have in 2017 $1,082,259,000, 2018 $1,102,751,000. Then that went up to $1,109,960,000 in 2019. Went down a little bit to $1,102,358,000 in 2020. And as of quarter 2, they're at $1,048,560,000. And there's more here, but I'm just going to go down now to the net investments. So as of 2017, they had $1,356,296,000. Then in 2018, $1,392,850,000. That went up to $1,427,845,000 in 2019. And it did go down a little bit in 2020 to $1,385,414,000. And as of quarter 2, they're at $1,343,193,000 currently. And then for their total assets in 2017, they had $1,465,570,000. Then they went up to $1,513,620,000 in 2018. And then $1,514,209,000 in 2019. And then that went down to $1,459,486,000 in 2020. And as of quarter 2, they're at $1,416,472,000 in total assets for 2021 so far. Now their total liabilities for 2017 was $706,922,000. 2018, that was $680,649,000, and then that went up to $728,783,000 in 2019, and then at 2020 it went down to $683,680,000, and so far in quarter 2 they're at $654,092,000. So as you can see, so far they have just about $800,000 more assets than they do liabilities currently for 2021. As for their options, I'm using the options chain here on Robinhood just because it's the easiest. As you can see, for selling puts, if you're interested in getting 100 shares, it's not really worth it in the current month. They do have monthly expiration days. So, I mean, if you wanted to, you could go out to October and lower your cost basis by 10 cents per share, or basically if you were to sell a put, you would be able to, if the price went down to $30, in theory be able to buy them for $29.90 because you would already receive $10 worth of premium, or 10 cents per share, and there's 100 shares per option, so it would lower your cost basis just a little bit. You could do a little bit more if you're willing to pretty much guarantee that you're going to be getting the shares. If you really want them, you can make a little bit more by selling a put for $1.65 per share, or $165, lowering your cost basis to $33.35. That is completely up to you, and there isn't going to be a whole lot of volume, so keep that in mind. And basically it's the same thing throughout. You can get a little bit of premium for trying to sell a put in order to get 100 shares. But with this being a REIT, there just isn't a whole lot of volume for either the puts or the calls. So options are not a good, or at least a really good choice for a REIT like LTC. This is the year-to-date chart for LTC on TradingView, which I like using in order to get a better idea of the RSI bands and the MACD. As you can see, for the most part, it's been staying within the RSI band, but here it's gone down a little bit and actually broke through the RSI band, and it's gone down below the normal RSI band, and it's kind of looking like it's going to be heading down towards breaking the RSI band again. So keep that in mind. And also it's below normal on the MACD. As I said, for fun, I like being able to see how many shares you would have to have of this stock in order to get $1,000 a month in dividend income. Keep in mind, I am not your financial advisor or anything like that, so I definitely do not recommend that you put all of your investments into a single stock. It's just very, very dangerous. I definitely recommend diversifying your investments just to make sure that if one were to go bankrupt, you're not completely out of money. But just for fun, in order for to get $1,000 a month in dividend income with LTC Properties, you would need to own 5,264 shares currently, which would give you $1,000.16 per month in average monthly income from dividends. That has a market value right now of $178,186.40. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it entertaining and helpful. Again, this is not financial advice, but I do hope you're able to use this to do your own research about what kind of stocks you want, especially if you're looking to become a dividend investor. Again, if you can hit the like and subscribe buttons down below, it does greatly help out my channel. And also the link to my Discord for free to join is going to be in the description, and I do give my daily stock picks there every single weekday for the stock market. So come and take a look and chat with me. Hope you have a great day and have a great week in the stock market.